In today's quick video, let's dive into the herb Bacopa. Bacopa is very popular in Ayurvedic medicine, and here in the West, it's known primarily for memory, concentration, or helping with cognition. However, it does also have antioxidant effects, and in this case, that's really interesting and really helpful because it actually has been shown to help protect neurons, so it's neuroprotective. This has led to it being used in things like Parkinson's and research for Alzheimer's and other sorts of diseases or conditions that have to do with memory or concentration. Bacopa is also anxiolytic, so it helps to reduce the symptoms of anxiety or feelings of anxiety, and we think that it does this by promoting the neurotransmitter GABA. GABA is a very calming neurotransmitter, and I've seen it be very helpful in clients who have anxiety. We also think that it's helping with the feedback loop of the HPA axis, which is helping your body better respond or better manage stress. Like I said before, this one is very popular for cognition, helping with memory, helping with focus, because it is what we classify a neurotropic. So with this neurotropic, we think it really helps to facilitate learning, helps with concentration, helps with memory, and it can help to improve your focus. And it's thought to do this by helping to increase acetylcholine, which is another neurotransmitter. It helps to facilitate the release. And we also see increased cerebral blood flow when using Bacopa as well. Now with this herb, most of the herb is used, both the root and the leaves, and we often see it standardized in many different formulations. Generally, I see dosing anywhere between 150 milligrams up to 3,000 milligrams daily. Usually a sweet spot is, in most studies, we see it in 600 milligrams per day. And with side effects like any supplement, you may have abdominal pain, cramping, or things like diarrhea. So again, always make sure you're working with a provider that knows these herbs and knows what they're doing. Now, an example of how I use this, I actually used this myself while I was in medical school. It really helped with, having to memorize a lot of things, having to concentrate, and under a lot of stress. In practice, I generally will combine this one, especially with herbs like gotu kola. They just kind of go really well together and they have a synergy. Again, I use this where there is a lot of stress, either oxidative stress, work-life stress, people who are high performers and need to be able to remember and recall and perform well in meetings, etc., etc. This is another great herb that really helps with concentration and memory and focus. So if you have experience with this herb, leave your comments down below. If you have questions, also leave those. And be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you learned something. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.